Hello everyone. Today we will explore a topic that is both empowering and essential for long-term success. Creating a personal growth plan. This isn't just about setting goals. It's about creating a structured, intentional roadmap for your personal development. So, by the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the steps involved in creating personal growth plan. Learn how to set realistic and actionable goals. Develop strategies to track and maintain your personal growth. A personal growth plan is a customized roadmap that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve personal and professional development. It helps you identify areas where you want to improve, set specific goals, and create strategies to achieve those goals. Unlike vague resolutions, a growth plan provides structure and accountability. A well-constructed plan should be both flexible and actionable, helping you stay focused on your goals while allowing room for adjustments as you grow. The first step in creating your growth plan is self-reflection. You need to have a clear understanding of where you are now before you can decide where you want to go. This involves identifying your strengths, areas for improvement, values, and passion. Spend time reflecting on questions like, what are my strengths and how can I build on them? What skills do I need to develop? What is truly important to me in my personal and professional life? Once you've assessed your current state, the next step is to set goals using the SMART criteria. Specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Set criteria to measure your progress. Achievable. Ensure the goal is realistic given your current situation. Relevant. Make sure the goal aligns with your larger life objectives. Time-bound. Set a deadline for when you plan to achieve it. After setting your goals, you need a detailed action plan. Break down your larger goals into smaller, measurable tasks. This keeps you from feeling overwhelmed and ensures steady progress. If your goal is to become a better public speaker, your action plan might include enrolling in a public speaking course, practicing weekly with a peer group, delivering a presentation once a month. It's essential to regularly check in with your progress to see what's working and what's not. This step keeps you accountable and motivated, while also allowing you to make adjustments as needed. Use journals, apps, or regular self-reflection to track how you're progressing towards your goal. Ask yourself, what's working and what can I adjust? Growth plans are not rigid. As you progress, new opportunities and challenges will arise, and your goals may evolve. Flexibility is key to ensuring that your growth plan stays relevant and useful. Imagine building a house. You don't just show up one day with bricks and wood and expect the house to magically come together. You need a blueprint, specific tools, and a step-by-step plan to turn that vision into reality. The same goes for personal growth. Your plan is the blueprint, your goals are the tools, and your actions are the steps that bring it all together. The moral of this analogy is that without a clear plan, growth becomes scattered and unfocused. Just like a house requires structure and intentionality, your personal development needs a well-thought-out plan to build something lasting and meaningful. Take the story of J.K. Rowling. Before she became one of the most successful authors in history, she faced numerous rejections and personal setbacks. However, She had a clear vision of what she wanted to achieve, writing her Harry Potter series, and she remained committed to that goal despite the challenges. Rowling set small, achievable goals for herself and stuck to them, even when her circumstances made it difficult. The moral of Rowling's story is that persistence, coupled with clear growth plan, can help you overcome even the toughest obstacles. No matter how difficult the journey, having a vision and a plan can help you stay focused and achieve long-term success. Now here is an assignment for you. Create the outline of your personal growth plan. Start by conducting a self-assessment to identify key areas where you want to improve. Then, set 2 or 3 SMART goals and create an action plan for achieving them. Be sure to include how you'll track your progress and remain flexible to changes along the way. To wrap up, creating a personal growth plan is about more than just setting goals. It's about taking intentional, structured steps toward becoming the person you want to be. With self-assessment, SMART goals, a detailed action plan, and regular reflection, you can stay on track and make meaningful progress. Like building a house or overcoming challenges, growth takes time, patience, and commitment. But with a plan in place, you're already on the path to success.